To set up the screen recording settings for Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, let's open a settings on our device. We can then move to the display section. Scroll down until you locate a screen record. Select it, and then you can switch your avatar size between small and large. You can change the resolution for your files to 1080p or 720p. You can also lock frame rates with 30 fps, 60 fps, or put it on dynamic. You can change the recording time limit up to 16 minutes or unlimited. There's a file size limit as well that you can adjust between unlimited, 10 megabytes, 100, 500 and 1000 megabytes. You can also record your touch points. That means if you press anywhere, it will show up on the recording as a pulse where you touched your screen. Now finally, if we have our screen recording set up, we need to commence screen recording, and you can do it simply by swiping down from top of the screen. Swipe down again and then find the screen recording between those icons. So for me, I'm not sure if I will have it. No, I have it right here, so I can just click on it to begin recording. If you cannot find this icon, click on the pen button below and then make sure that your screen recording is active. So for me, it's again right here. So when it's down there, just move it up so you can actually see that icon. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.